WhatsApp has added a new feature called member tags, allowing users to describe their role or identity in group chats. Want to create your own? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to add a member tag in group chats on WhatsApp. Now let's get started. To add a member tag in a WhatsApp group chat, open WhatsApp and go to the group chat where you'd like to give yourself a member tag. Tap the group name or list of members at the top. Scroll down to the group member list. Tap your name. Here you can type in what you'd like your member tag to be. This can be a relevant title, role, or how you'd be known to the group. Your tag will be visible to all members of the group, as well as any new members who join. Your tag will appear below your name on any messages you send. Tap Save to start using your new tag. Your tag will only appear in this group chat, so you can give yourself a different member tag for each group chat you're a part of. That's all it takes to add a member tag in group chats on WhatsApp. Want to learn about other cool WhatsApp features? Check out our full playlist of WhatsApp tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.